Download Brave, one of the safest web browsers on the market today. It blocks privacy-invasive ads and trackers that slow you down and invade your privacy. It also blocks third-party data storage and IP address collection, and protects from browser fingerprinting. Browse up to 3 times faster. Block ads and trackers that follow you around. Brave for mobile is available as a fast, free, secured web browser with a built-in ad blocker that prevents tracking and provides security protection. A long list of ways Brave goes beyond other browsers to protect your privacy. Only Brave blocks all ads and trackers by default. Fingerprint randomization. Blocking all third-party storage. Less phoning home than other browsers. Improving privacy in Chromium. Upgrading and secure requests to HTTPS. Query parameter filtering. For advanced users. And even more. Ready to brave the new internet? Why Brave? Why should you use Brave over Chrome? A browser built to perform. What you do online is your business, not ours. You are not a product. Your browser should not spy on your online behavior. Get rewarded for paying attention. Ready to brave the new internet? Download Brave.